Our friends at Hunkydory have made some picture-perfect pads. Yes, they have. And this is called Christmas Cuties, and it has 280 images. Now, what you get is 48 pages, and each page has a variety of images on it, and I'll show you what they look like right now. Just want to let you know this is padded at the top, and like I said, there's 48 pages. You're going to get 4 different layouts, and you're going to get 4 of each one. So let me show you what they look like. Christmas Cuties, okay, well, puppies are going to fall into there. How about some snowmen and reindeer? And you can see what I mean about the multiple images and multiple sizes too, which is handy. There we've got some sweet little snowy owls, dearest winter wishes. If we're going to have puppies, we have to have kittens, don't you think? Very, very sweet. And we've got a little Christmas fairy there. And we've got very, very cute imagery. And that's what's true about all of this. And so we can't go wrong with a teddy bear, and we've got some penguins. And how about Santa driving a bus? Yes. And then we've got a little train going on. So you're going to get 4 of each one, a total of 280 images in this 8x8 pad. Picture perfect paper pad. All of them are 8x8.